What is up, guys? We are back with another video. It is your boy Steel Flex, or Steel Fleck. Steel Fleck. Alrighty, today we are gonna talk about, so I've had the bike for about 6 months now. That's crazy to believe. We're gonna talk about after 6 months of ownership of the XSR900. What a basic video, right? But you're gonna get this basic ass video. So I'm gonna try to break it down into like 3 sections. I was like thinking while I was at work, like just 3 sections. Alrighty, we're good. So 3 sections. First section is gonna be, I was thinking about like engine. Okay, first section is gonna be like engine, and then you got your second section, which is how I feel on it, ergonomics wise, and then third section would just be overall anything here and there, just, you know, everything just lumped together in a way. So let's talk about the performance and, you know, all that jazz. As you know, this is with the CP3, the famous Yamaha engine, a little C8. This is on their multiple platforms on their, like, you know, this is on their, like, a lot of their bikes, especially with the MT-09. That's their most famous one, and they took that and they put it on here. It's got a quick shifter, down and up and down. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Like, don't even gotta do shit. This is my first time having a quick shifter on a bike, so and to tell you, I love it. It does make me a little bit lazy because I don't really downshift a lot anymore, so it's whatever. So another thing about the power band, it doesn't really kick in. I feel it around 7,000. That's why I put it to where the color changes around there. That's where the XSR really shines. I mean, it does shine in the lower RPMs too. It has a lot of torque there. It has a lot of bite. But you really feel the bike dig in when you're in your 7K band and all that jazz and whatnot. Mr. Kyle, everybody, he races that Supra. Crazy man. But yeah, and power wise too, it is great to cruise with. You can merge onto your traffic pretty well. I have no problems with it, as you can see in my videos. I mean, any bike, you won't have any trouble taking over people, obviously, because you're on a bike. You're on something that's crazy light. So I also use this as my commuter bike as well. I go to work, I go here and there, I go hang out. That's why it is literally so much mileage already. I put 1,700 miles already on this bike, and I've only had it for 6 months. It's kind of bad because this is a rare bike too, and I should be keeping the mileage down. But guys, when you buy, it's kind of like when you buy a pair of shoes, right? You gotta wear it, you know. So if you're buying this, you gotta ride it. Clean WX. Why are we hitting every yellow light? But yeah, guys, so the power is all there, guys. This girl, and I heard when you flash it, it really shows off what the bike is really made of, and it really unleashes the full potential of this. So I'm waiting to get an exhaust. I want to really, you know, push the bike stock, you know. Man, what the fuck is this? I want to push the bike stock first, you know. That's how I am with all my cars and vehicles. Yeah, so I kind of want to just smooth it out and take this shit easy. Don't like do anything too crazy yet. So second part, the riding of it, like the rideability, the ergonomics, all the nice things about it, right? How do I feel on it? So if y'all don't know my height, I am 5'10", and I perfectly flat foot this, and it feels really comfortable when I'm tucked in and I'm like, you know, hiked up into the bike like here with my legs up into the tank. It feels real nice. Handlebars are placed just perfectly for me. I like this position to where it is. It bites, it hangs on really nicely, and there's nothing I wouldn't change. Maybe I would change the tires, because I heard from like this one YouTuber, I forget who, he said once he switched out the S22s, the battle axes are really nice, the Bridgestones. It's just the guy said something was just missing, and I do low-key feel what he's saying. So we'll see down the road. I'll wear these out and I'll see how it is when I change them. Should I take the highway? Yeah, why not? There's nobody. Yo man, like, why whenever I watch like other videos of the XSRs or just any riding video, like, why does everybody's roads look so like nice and like smooth compared to mine? Because like all these bumps, like, it just throws me off on the bike and it's not fun. Put on cruise control. Oh, whoa. How do I keep this straight in the wind, guys? Okay, so the ergonomics, as you can see, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I can keep it straight with no hands, unless it's like wind, you know. Then I have to like really. I'm trying to use my body as nice as possible right now. Man, this is so fun. I've never had a bike with cruise control either. This is so weird. Like, the fact that they have this. I've heard of the one where like it like keeps the throttle, you know, like there. But I've never heard of this where it's just straight up cruise control, man. It's so nice. And especially on this bike like this, it just makes it even better. Like, I could take this out, you know, like for like long trips. It's pretty comfortable, like the seating position. The seat, I know I complain about it and like my ass is kind of numb right now, but you kind of just get over it. I do want to get another seat. I keep saying this, but I do not want to spend the money. It's expensive. That is cool. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'll take your ass right now, bro. The rideability, look at it, guys. I'm on my fucking frame sliders. It's so chill. I'm on cruise control right now. Never would have burned, I never would have read it, but the rap of a villain, go for a little ride, guys. I'm gone. That was a cop. that was kind of fun, guys. He ain't gonna catch us. I'd cry if the cop just showed up behind me.